Hi guys, here is what you need to know for May 26th through 29th. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is log into Canvas every day. You already know how to do that. Your assignments for this week. This week is a little bit shorter, so I'm not going to give you quite as many assignments this week, but here is what I do need you to do. I do have a video and questions for you about remote learning. Here is my disclaimer about it. I have no idea what next school year is going to look like, but at the end of the year, I like to do a little bit of reflection and I want to find out what worked and what didn't. And since we were in this really unusual situation, I just want a little bit of feedback from you, my students, in case I find myself having to teach remotely again next fall. Again, I don't know what's happening. Um, but in case I do, I just want a little bit of feedback from you about what worked and what didn't, and how I could possibly be more helpful for my students next year. All right, activity one, you're going to be doing an IXL lesson about US geography. I want those 8th grade teachers to get all of the Mod Squad students already coming in knowing this stuff. So this is to help give you a boost for your 8th grade social studies class next year. Activity two, you're going to be creating a historical record of your 7th grade year. I have provided the template for you. You're just going to put your stuff in there, your information. You are historians. You're living through a historical event and you're going to create this primary source to document your very unusual 7th grade year. All right, on that historical record, I really want you to make it your own. Put in images, put in text, really snazz it up and make it your own. I purposely did not give you a lot of work this week, so put a little bit of effort into that. We will have a Zoom meeting on Thursday, as always, and then all of your assignments are due on Friday. If you have any questions, let me know and I will be more than happy to help you. And remember, clear eyes, full hearts, can't lose.